Real-time real estate segment brought to you by rsrmoney.com. rsrmoney.com. Worried about mortgage rates? Control the controllables. Chances are you're hearing a lot about mortgage rates right now. You may even see some headlines talking about last week's Federal Reserve, the Fed meeting, and what it means for rates. But the Fed doesn't determine mortgage rates, even if the headlines make it sound like they do. The truth is, mortgage rates are impacted by a lot of factors: geopolitical uncertainty, inflation, and the economy, and more. And trying to pin down when all those factors will line up enough for rates to come down is tricky. That's why it's generally not worth it to try and time the market. There's too much at play that you cannot control. The best thing you can do is control the controllables. And when it comes to rates, here's what you can influence to make your moving plans a reality. Your credit score. Boy, have we heard that before. Credit scores can play a big role in your mortgage rate. As an article from CNET explains, quote, you can't control the economic factors influencing interest rates, but you can get the best rate for your situation. And improving your credit score is the right place to start. Lenders look at your credit score to decide whether to approve you for a loan and at what interest rate. A higher credit score can help you secure a lower interest rate, maybe even better than the average, unquote. That's why it's even more important to maintain a good credit score right now. With rates where they are, you want to do what you can to get the best possible rate. If you want to focus on improving your score, your trusted loan officer, yes, that would be us, can give you the expert advice help. Cleanall3.com, monitor your credit, cleanall3.com. Your loan type, there are many types of loans, each offering different terms for qualified buyers. The Consumer Financial Protection Bureau, CFPB, says, quote, there are several broad categories of mortgage loans, such as conventional, FHA, USDA, and VA. Lenders decide which products to offer, and loan types have different eligibility requirements. Rates can be significantly different depending upon what loan type you choose, unquote. Did somebody once say strategy beats rate always? Yeah, I think so. Yeah, it might have been me.
I think that was you, Ron.
When working with your team of real estate professionals, make sure you find out what's available for your situation, which types of loans you may qualify for. My biggest pet peeve is when you talk to a mortgage lender who doesn't offer a whole suite of products, and they say you don't qualify, and they don't say you don't qualify with me or them, right? You're going to get that from a lot of big banks or credit unions. They've offered great programs. They don't offer all of them. So when they say you don't qualify, it's you don't qualify with them. When working with your team of real estate professionals, make sure you find out what's available for your situation and which types of loans you may qualify for. Your loan term. Another factor to consider is the term of your loan. Just like with loan types, you have options. Freddie Mac says, quote, when choosing the right home loan for you, it's important to consider the loan term, which is the length of time it will take you to repay your loan before you fully own your home. Your loan term will affect your interest rate, monthly payment, and the total amount of interest you will pay over the life of the loan. Depending upon your situation, the length of your loan can also change your mortgage rate. Did I mention the Home Select loan? 30-year loan with what I've seen so far, lowest mandatory portion of the payment, pays off faster than anything else, lowest effective APR, and wow, it's got the higher interest rate, but it's a lower APR. Wonder how that works. You got to check it out. Strategy beats rate always. Bottom line, remember, you can't control what happens in the broader economy, but you can control the controllables. Work with a trusted lender to go over the things you can do that'll make a difference. By being strategic with these factors, you may be able to combat today's higher rates and lock in the lowest one you can. That is the Real-Time Real Estate segment brought to you by rsrmoney.com, rsrmoney.com.